Hello friends, in today's session we are going to learn application of four formulas of Microsoft Excel, which is in nowadays considered as a most powerful one to analyze data, to report some data, and to do some analysis, right? So let's just start. So in today's session I just chose four formulas starting with this Vlookup, right? So this is most common and most popular formula. So for this formula I need some values basis on which I will pull up some numbers. Okay, so I will select, suppose I have this data. In this data I have this invoice number or order number, you say. I will paste this here. Okay, and I need, based on this number, I need some data from that report, the another tab, right? So I will create a formula equals to, I will type in VLOOKUP. It will automatically come. You can just click the tab and this fill up, and you will select the criteria, the C5, and you will select the range. As of now, let's just select these four things. So I have selected the range. Now you put a comma, and whatever column you need, you will put that. Suppose I need vendor SKU, so I will put 4, and I will put again comma. And if I need, means we have two options, true or false. The meaning of that is, if I need exact number against this order ID, I will put a false. If I need some approximate number, means suppose it is 2 3, if I put the true, might be it will give me some number which is close to it, right? Now I need the exact values, so I will put the false. Okay, so it will give me the true values, exact values. See, now the SUPC it will brought up, right? In any case, if you need, suppose you need, instead of row number column, you need 3, you can put, and you get the shoes. And if you put 2, you get the date, right? It is a different format, so I will correct the format. So it is 2, right? And if you just copy paste this data, so you will get your desired number. In date might be same. So let me just do this. Let me just type in 3 here. It is t-shirt. Let me just type in 4 here. It is give me SUPC. Let me just again type in 1 here. It is again 1 is false value, because not false, it will give us this number, right? The same number, because it is considered as that if we select this 4, so that this is column number 1 2 3 4, right? It is working that way. So instead of this order ID, I need date. So date is in row number, column number second. So this is the date. Format we need to correct. Okay, that's how VLOOKUP works, right? If you need any help on this, you can mention me on comments. I will answer those. Otherwise, you can pause and revisit this working. Okay, let's just move to the second thing, which is Hlookup. Hlookup is also a very good formula. So in Hlookup, instead of this rows, it will bring values based on the headers, right? Suppose I copy this 5 headers here, right? Let me just copy below that or somewhere here. Suppose I need order value based on not order ID but based on order number. Suppose I'll create equals to Hlookup, and I selected the attribute which is order number, and I can select the whole thing, means because it is creating a lookup, so it will automatically search, right? And we need value of row number 5. In VLOOKUP we are getting the value of columns. In this we are getting the values of rows, so we need 5 against false and true, as I said earlier, approximation and exact. So as of now I choose false for exact number. So this is giving the number of fifth row. Let me just fix range, right, by putting a dollar. And here also what I need to fix, not columns but the rows is 3, so I will put dollar here. So see, if I copy this formula here, you see for this header I have the value of row number 5. You can validate also. Let's just see validate. Means you can validate from here also, that I just copied the data, so the order ID is coming in row number 5. So this is 5, so this is this, and date is this, and so you can validate. Let's just check. Search. So this is suit, and this is vendor SQ, and this is 395, so 395. So that's how Hlookup is working, right? It is also a great formula. Means the requirements change, so sometime in reports you need the value of rows, sometime you need the values of columns, so accordingly you can use. Now the another formula I am covering in this session would be sumif. Might be you have heard about it, sumif, and I will tell you the extent, the another version of it, means the advanced version later. So let's just start with this sumif. In sumif, you know, it will sum up the value based on certain criteria, but the criteria would be only one criteria, right? In the advanced version I will show you that it can take up to, you know, 100 of criteria. Right now, suppose product description, I copy product description here. Suppose I need the sum of MRP of shoes, t-shirts and underwear. So I will click this, not sumif, as sumif. Right, sumif I just selected, and I went to data. So on what criteria I need? I need based on this product description. So I selected this column, and I need this shoes. Based on column I need the data for shoes, so I did this. And what value I need value of MRP, so again the range, and I close this formula, and it will give me the values. Okay, let me see if we need to fix anything. Right now I selected all the things, means the full column, so I need not to fix. So this is the data, right? Quickly you will get the sum of shoes, t-shirts, underwear. This is the total. But now if you need, now I will tell you the advanced version of it. Now if you need not only need the sum of this, but you need to filter it out. Means suppose city and vendor, let me just take in one go this much. So let me just put more criteria here. I will copy here Bangalore, I think that's the formula, ABC. So A, B and C. So suppose you need the value of shoes, but you also need in which city it is giving that revenue and which brand. So it will filter it out. Means the total is this shoes, but I need the sales of Bangalore and that also the brand of A, right? So I will do this sum if as, right? The difference is sum if, and I will add s, you know, that will become the advanced version. So I will again go to this MRP and what criteria we have criteria of this first product. So I will take the product first. So this is, I will, you know, select this first criteria, and second criteria is the city. So I will select the city and comma and Bangalore. Then I need the vendor. I will go to the vendor or brand, you can say, and then again to this. So you will see the magic now, right? Copy and copy, right? This is the total, this is the summarize. So you can validate also. Let me just validate you. Suppose I will where is this is the product shoes. So let me just see shoes. Okay, so shoes total is 6407, right? 6407 is coming. And suppose in city I have this Bangalore thing, this Bangalore, and brand is A. So the number is 171 836. I think I selected something wrong. Shoes Bangalore and vendor A. Did I selected the vendor? No. Let me just show you again. I think that something mistake happened. So let me just select again. Shoes. I will select shoes and brand A and the city. Let me just see the criteria whether I selected on column I or this one. Column match. Column J, column HH and GG. Okay. So brand, column H. So column H is number. Okay. Bangalore. Now see. So the number is 329,352. Okay. So now the number is matching. 392,352. So you can use these formulas and prepare your workings. In some cases, you know, expert level working, you can club couple of formulas into one and prepare your report accordingly. Means right now I have shown you separately, but as you grow in life, as you will see a large number of data, you need to apply a lot of formula into one, right? So if you need any help, you can definitely mention your questions on my comment box. I will try to make more videos for you guys so that you can understand and apply the same in your life, right? Okay, so if you like this video, so you can subscribe, share this video and put a like button. Okay, so it will give me some motivation to prepare more videos for you. Okay, for now I'm just closing this video. Take care, bye.